Using a Chime temporary card in store is a convenient and secure way to make purchases when you have misplaced or are waiting for your physical card to arrive. To start, ensure you have downloaded the Chime mobile banking app and have logged into your account. First, navigate to the card section of the app where you will find an option to view your temporary card. Select this option to view your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, when you are at the store, let the cashier know that you will be paying with a card. They will then ask you to swipe or insert your card, but since you are using a temporary card, you will need to provide the card details manually. Provide the cashier with the card number, expiration date, and security code from the Chime app. They will then enter this information into their system to process the payment. It is essential to note that some merchants may not accept manual card entry, so it is always a good idea to have a backup payment method with you. After the cashier has entered your card details, they will ask you to confirm the payment amount and provide your signature or confirmation to complete the transaction. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a notification on your Chime app, and the transaction will be reflected in your account balance. Best practice is to keep your temporary card details secure and do not share them with anyone. Also, make sure to activate your physical card as soon as you receive it, and the temporary card will be deactivated for security purposes. Using a Chime temporary card in store is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can enjoy a convenient and secure shopping experience.